Now, we keep the bolster in this position, yeah, the pillow with, maybe you roll something beneath, yeah? And what we will do, we will use the position we did before. We will put the legs, so you keep the bolster, yes? So you put your hips, one hip closer to the bolster, to the pillow, the legs here, or in the same position that we did before, or you can have the legs more closer to each other, yeah? So you have the bolster on the side, yeah? Okay, so what you will do is, the same position we expand, yeah, the same position that we did before, you expand, yeah? So check that the bolster is here, in front here of the hip, yeah? And then you will rotate a little bit, not in a forcing position. Again, the belly is in, to face the bolster, to face the pillows, yeah? So the legs in this position or closer. And then you try to go into the pillow in this position, opening, yeah? Don't round, open. You ground your hip there, and you go slowly toward the bolster or the pillow, yeah? Then your head could be or on one side or the other side. If you need, you can put like an extra pillow there to make it more comfortable, yeah? So put all the extra pillows that you need, so it's a comfortable position, yeah? So your belly, your chest is trying to face the bolster. It's like your upper body is in child pose and your legs are in the position that we did before, yeah? It's called revolved child pose, yeah? This is really good for releasing even further, because we are given a twist on the spine, a gentle twist. The spine have a lot of the tension of ourselves. So in this way, we can help the spine to release the deeper tension that we carry. And at the same time, feeling the support and the grounding. Yeah, you can have your blanket on the top. Yeah. And just relax your shoulders. Yeah? So you are not doing any effort, but your body is having a beautiful stretch for your spine and is releasing tension. Softening. And that space that we are creating on the spine, we are receiving energy to fill those spots, the physical and the emotional. Yeah? Keep imagining the violet light cleansing, healing, transforming all the energy that is stuck in your body, in your mind, in your heart. Imagine this energy is transforming, this energy is transmuting your energy. Well done. Now slowly, we will move up. Yeah. Now you have two options. You can, maybe if you are facing me, you change the pillows on the other side. Yeah. Or if not, you can change the hips. Yeah. So you put the bolster there. Again, with an extra cushion if you need to make it more comfortable. Yeah. So again, you are on this hip. You put the legs like we did before. Yeah. Good. So once you are in this position, you have the hip closer to the bolster, yeah, to the pillow. So you ground yourself on the leg, yeah. Open your body. Don't go rounding, yeah. Open. And then we start to rotate, yeah, with we did at the beginning, the belly a little bit in, a little bit just to support. So you go in a nice long position. And then you rotate and you face the bolster or the pillow, yeah? And then you relax. Now again, you can put an extra pillow here. You can put one cheek or on one side or on the other side. Yeah? Wherever is comfy for your neck. Relax your shoulders. You can have your blanket on the top, and you can keep the legs that way, or you can close the knees more closer. Comfy. Spread your body and relax. Soften deeply. Shoulders away. And keep imagining your cocoon around you. That powerful violet light passing through, melting your tension, your stress, your worries. Send it down to the planet take it for you, and you receive instead a beautiful, cleansed, clean, pure energy with all the qualities that you want in this moment, yeah? Your relaxation, peace, comfort, but also imagine that you are receiving extra energy that you storage in your body and on the cocoon as well. Yeah. So whenever you need that extra energy, you have it there. Soften shoulders, soften neck. Good. And then slowly coming back, taking your time. Yeah.